Have you asked Siri or Alexa about the weather today? Did you use face detection to unlock your phone? These are examples of artificial intelligence subtly woven into our daily routines. We interact with AI more than we realize, often without even knowing it. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? And artificial intelligence at its core is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. Imagine a computer program that can learn from experience, solve problems, understand language, and even make decisions. That's AI in a nutshell. It's about creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. At the heart of AI lies machine learning, a fascinating and complex process that powers many of the technologies we use today. It's a method where machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed, enabling them to adapt and improve over time. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. The child doesn't memorize a manual but learns through trial, error, and guidance. With each attempt, they gain confidence, refine their balance, and improve their skills, much like how AI systems refine their predictions. Similarly, AI systems analyze vast data sets to identify patterns, make predictions, and even uncover insights that humans might miss. One of the most powerful tools in machine learning is the neural network, a system inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected layers of algorithms that process information in a way that mimics how neurons in our brain communicate. Each connection in the network carries a weight, which determines its significance in the decision-making process. As the network processes data, these weights are adjusted through multiple iterations, allowing the system to learn, adapt, and improve its accuracy over time, making it smarter with every cycle. Section 4 AI all around us, from recommendations to self-driving cars. AI is no longer just a concept of science fiction. It has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping how we interact with technology and the world around us. AI is not a futuristic concept. It's already transforming various aspects of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is seamlessly integrated into our routines, often in ways we don't even notice. When Netflix suggests a show, it's not just guessing. AI analyzes your viewing history, preferences, and even trends among similar users to recommend content you'll likely enjoy. Similarly, Spotify curates playlists tailored to your taste by studying your listening habits, favorite genres, and even the time of day you listen to music. This is AI working behind the scenes to enhance your experience. Google Maps uses AI to predict traffic patterns, analyze real-time data from countless users, and suggest the fastest route, saving you time and reducing stress during your commute. Self-driving cars, like those developed by Tesla, rely heavily on AI to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate roads safely. These vehicles use advanced algorithms, sensors, and cameras to process vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring a smooth and secure journey. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, analyze medical images, and identify patterns that might be missed by the human eye. It also helps develop personalized treatment plans, offering solutions tailored to individual patients. The potential of AI in healthcare is vast, promising better outcomes and more efficient care. Section 5. The AI Revolution, its impact and the challenges ahead. The rise of AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. It is reshaping how businesses operate, enabling faster decision-making, and driving innovation across sectors. Companies are leveraging AI to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences. From healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment, AI is automating tasks, improving efficiency, and creating new possibilities. In healthcare, AI is aiding in early diagnosis and personalized treatments. In transportation, autonomous vehicles are redefining mobility, while in entertainment, AI is revolutionizing content creation and delivery. However, this technological revolution also presents unique challenges. The rapid pace of AI adoption is raising concerns about its societal implications, including its impact on employment, privacy, and ethics. One significant concern is the potential impact on jobs. As AI systems take over repetitive and manual tasks, many traditional roles are at risk of becoming obsolete. This shift is particularly evident in industries like manufacturing, retail, and customer service. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it has the potential to automate tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job displacement in certain sectors. However, it also creates opportunities for new roles that require advanced skills, creativity, and human oversight. This raises important questions about the future of work and the need for workforce retraining and adaptation. Governments, Businesses and educational institutions must collaborate to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Furthermore, ethical considerations surrounding AI are paramount. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, ensuring they align with human values and societal norms is critical. As we grant AI systems more autonomy, we must ensure they operate ethically, fairly, and transparently. This includes addressing issues like algorithmic bias, accountability, and the potential for unintended consequences. Bias in AI algorithms, data privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse are issues that require careful attention and proactive solutions. By fostering collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society, we can navigate these challenges and harness AI's potential for the greater good. The AI revolution is well underway, shaping the future in profound ways. While it presents challenges, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for progress. By embracing AI responsibly and addressing its ethical implications, we can harness its transformative power to create a better future for all.